Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Hilmi bin Muhammad Zainafi, A158806. Today, our group did the composites testing and critical analysis of literature review. So, as the introduction, tensile testing is a destructive test process that provides information about the tensile strength, yield strength, and ductility of the metallic material. It measures the force required to break a composite or plastic specimen and the extent to which the specimen stretches or elongates to that breaking point. After that, impact tests determine the amount of energy absorbed by a material during fracture. This absorbed energy is a measure of a given material's toughness and acts as a tool to study temperature-dependent, brittle, ductile transition. It is also to determine whether the material is brittle or ductile in nature.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Aminul Azin. My material number is A156406. So now I'm going to talk about the problem statement for this project. So they got 3 problem statement, which is the first one is what is the difference between tensile test and impact test and why they are important. The second one is what is the difference of between these two tests, which is the tensile test and impact test from the view of result. And the third one is what is the effect of mechanical properties to natural fiber such as pseudo stem banana and bamboo fiber, and the synthetic fiber such as carbon fiber and aramid fiber. That's the only 3 problem statement.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akasha bin Hamzah, matrix number A159106. So, I will explain about the objective for this project. Basically, we have 3 main objectives to this project, which is firstly, to analyze the test method between tensile test and impact test. Secondly, to investigate the differences between these two types of tests. And lastly, to compare the tensile mechanical properties of natural fiber and synthetic fiber. The natural fiber that we choose is pseudo banana fiber and bamboo fiber, and the synthetic fiber we choose carbon fiber and aramid fiber. Okay, so for the literature review, I will explain for the composite that we choose, which are from natural fiber and synthetic fiber. The natural fiber consists of pseudostem banana and bamboo fiber, while the synthetic fiber consists of carbon fiber and aramid fiber. So, firstly, I will explain about the pseudostem banana fiber first. Okay, from Mansour and Aziz, they studied bamboo mesh reinforced cement composites and found that this reinforcing material could enhance the ductility and toughness of the cement matrix and increase significantly its tensile, flexural and impact strengths. Next, for the bamboo fiber was chosen as the reinforcement because bamboo is an abundant natural resource in Asia, and its overall mechanical properties are comparable to those of wood. Furthermore, bamboo grows to its mature size in only 6 to 8 months, whereas wood take about 10 years. Okay, next I will explain about the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber reinforced composites are widely used in aerospace, engineering, marine and automobile industries due to their outstanding properties such as height specific strength and stiffness, lower density and flexible design. Lastly, for the aramid fiber have poor interfacial bonding with most of the commercial available resins used in composites because of its initial surface, high crystallization and poor off-adhesive strength. In order to enhance the interfacial strength of aramid fiber, matrix composite extensive research have been performed and a variety of techniques has been utilized, which mainly focus on the chemical treatment and plasma. That's all. Thank you.
Next is methodology. To illustrate the methodology for composites testing and critical analysis of literature review, tensile test and impact test is used for this course project. For bamboo fiber reinforced epoxy, a wire cutting electron discharge machine (EDM) was used to cut each laminate into smaller pieces in according with ASTM standard D303976 for tensile and impact test respectively. Then, the tensile testing is done on aramid fiber reinforced epoxy on an Instron 1121 universal testing machine. For the impact testing, it is done with the ISOT impact testing machine with the ASTM D25605 standard. After that, carbon fiber reinforced epoxy tensile tests were carried out using a universal testing machine 5569 Instron USA according to ASTM D337975. For the impact test were performed using a drop weight impact test system 9250 HV Instron USA. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Abdul Hari Fazilah. I will talk about the analysis between natural fiber and synthetic fiber on tensile test and impact test. For the tensile test, there are difference of tensile strength of the variation types of composite. First, carbon fiber reinforced epoxy has the higher tensile strength, while bamboo fiber epoxy has the lowest tensile strength compared to the others. From the research, we can see that synthetic type of fiber, which is carbon and aramid fiber, have the higher tensile strength compared to the natural fiber, which is bamboo and pseudostem banana fiber. Next, I will talk about the impact test. There are also difference of impact strength for the variation type of composite. Aramid fiber reinforced epoxy has the higher impact strength, while bamboo fiber reinforced epoxy has the lowest impact strength compared to the others. From the research, synthetic fiber, which is carbon and aramid fiber, also have the higher impact strength compared to the natural fiber. For the conclusion, even though the data are not suitable to compare to each other due to the different parameter, but the data can be accepted logically, which is synthetic fiber have a good performance in mechanical properties compared to the natural fiber.
So now I'm going to talk about the conclusion. So the conclusion of this project is after banana fibers, bamboo fibers and aramid fiber and carbon fibers was running through the two process, which is the tensile test and the impact test. The result of their result have been compared, and then the result for the tensile test and the impact test is quite different. So between these four comparison, the result that we get is the carbon fiber reinforced has the highest tensile strength, followed by aramid, and then followed by bamboo fiber, and then the banana fiber. So from here we can conclude that the synthetic fiber have the higher tensile strength compared to the natural fiber. So from the aspect of a problem statement, then we achieve the objective of this project. Thank you.